Okay. Yeah, those of you who have joined newly today, so what Dhruva is going to share today is Hello World of Python. This is the first thing which any of you can easily learn, even if this is the first day which you are trying any coding. You don't need to know any prior knowledge. So, and you don't need to do any installation also. So we have made it so simple. That means he is going to use a compiler or interpreter which is there on internet, which you are seeing currently, which is w3schools.com. If any of you who are using laptop or mobile, if you want to try, you can try along with Dhruva. We will go slowly, initial 15-20 minutes, so that all of you will have an opportunity to try it on your own, because this is an experiential learning class. So let's have some fun while we are studying. So just the protocol, since to avoid any background noise, I have muted everybody, and if anybody wants to speak, you can raise your hands. Okay, there is a raise hand signal. For example, I will raise my hand like this. Yeah, you can see on the top you are raise your hand. So then I will come and unmute you so that you get to speak. And also after you finish, you can just lower your hand so that I know you no longer need my attention. I hope this arrangement is okay, because since we are expecting more than 100 students today, let's ensure that everybody has a nice experience. Dhruva, over to you. Can you briefly explain what you have done?
Sir?
Can you briefly explain what you have done?
I'm showing now.
Yeah. First explain, no? Explain in English what you are showing.
Today I'm showing about Python, how to do math in Python. How to do math in Python. I will show you now.
First run this program. Let's say hello world. Let it run. You can you can just say hello Samarth instead of world. Can you remove that world and type hello Samarth?
Okay, sir. Now your hello world is there. Now you should write Samarth over here, any name.
Yeah, write Samarth. SAMARTH. Samarth.
Samarth. Now the run button is over here. So if we press this run button, here it will round like this. And hello Samarth will come over here.
Okay, next.
Next is how to do math. Math is there in calculator also, but in this W3 Schools Python, we can put so much numbers and put the answer. As example, I will show you now. Now I'm putting so much numbers like this. Now I'm pressing plus and putting again so much numbers. Now if I press run, the answer will come over here. This so much numbers plus so much number, the answer will come over here. We can do multiplication, subtraction, addition, any math in this. In Python, we can put so much numbers. You can do division, multiplication, subtraction, addition in one time also. But in my keyboard, only plus and minus are there. In my keyboard, no multiplication and division are there.
No, there is a secret. There is a secret key. Shall I show you?
Yes, sure, sir.
If you press Shift and 8, you will get multiplication symbol. That is star. Star is nothing but multiplication.
Okay, sir. What is division?
Division is just press question mark and one oblique is there, no? Question mark.
Sir.
That is division.
Yeah, sir.
Try that.
Yes.
You just try.
Okay, sir. Now I'm pressing so much numbers.
Now
plus.
Not plus. You try star now instead of plus.
Division.
Yeah.
Division.
Type some other number.
That's
Press run now.
another number. Now minus. Now minus.
Okay.
Sir, he's put a question mark instead of slash.
Okay. You have to press
Shift.
shift and that key.
What, sir?
Instead of question mark, remove that question mark.
Yes, sir.
Remove it. Now
Yeah,
you press
remove.
shift and the same key again. Press
What's that?
shift, hold the shift key and press the same question mark button.
Yes, sir.
Is it question mark or is it oblique slash?
It's still a question mark.
No, did you press shift?
Yes, sir. I press shift and pressing question mark.
No, don't press shift then. Just press without pressing shift. That is the
Without-
one. That is the one. That is the one. Yeah, this is correct. Now what is that? Yeah. Okay. Now press run.
Sir, divide multiplication. Now I'm pressing run.
Yeah. You did not press. Press again. Yes. Now it's
Sir, he did.
So the answer will come over here.
wonderful. What is E?
Where is he?
It gave E to the power of plus 16.
707.46625422224466927 E plus 16.
Yeah, anyway, it's too early for you. Probably high school students
Sir,
can
it's
answer.
Euler's number.
Yeah. So, yeah, thanks, Dhruva. Would you like to show your scratch also?
Yes, sir, I'm going to show. I'm showing. I did one Strats project.
Mhm.
How to do that Strats project, I will show you now, everyone.
Mhm.
Come fast.
Sujay, do you have any question?
Now, how to
I see you have
do
raised your
this
hand.
project means you should not delete this cat. You should not delete this cat sprite. You should not delete this sprite. But you should go to choose a backdrop over here. When you go to choose a backdrop, here castle 2 will be. Can you see here the castle 2? Yeah, you should press it. And again you should go to choose a sprite. When you go to choose a sprite, search. Can you see the search over here? When the search came, you should press D, E. You can see this demon. So, D is like this. But go to costume. Go to costume and make him like a scared. Now go to code and go to looks. And here they say hello. Before that, go to events and press when green click. And for sprite 1 also, you should press when green, the flag, green flag click. Here say hello is there. So you can change it to my pet has gone. Has gone
Dhruva, you are unmuted. Continue.
Okay.
Yeah, Dhruva.
So when we put my pet has gone out and say my pet has gone outside of the castle. Outside of the castle, and now you should put a full stop over there. Now here for 2 seconds, say my pet has gone outside of this castle for 2 seconds is there. Now you can put how much ever seconds you want, like so much seconds, like 89,787 seconds, like that. So I will put 89 seconds. And let us go to the sprite one and go to looks again. Go to looks again. So bring the looks over here and say I and here. Only this much. For 2 seconds is there now. You can change that also. For editing. And you can see over here add blocks over here. So you can see to speech over here. You can press this and speak. Like speak is over here now. So delete hello and say I. Here. Over here and for no, not for so much seconds, no seconds. Only I am over here, it will say. And for D, speak hello is there no? Speak hello. You should delete hello and say what we have written upside. Like my gone out side off full stop. Now you can see the delete button over here. So everything will come and the sound will also come. Can you hear everybody?
Dhruva, we cannot hear because you don't have external speaker. So that's fine. So if you can share the code, I can play from mine so that I have external speaker so that everybody will hear.
The share button is not over here anywhere, sir.
No, you have to first sign in. You have not signed in.
Oh, I should sign in, no, sir. I will sign in, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, you can.
And this is the project which I have done in Scratch.
Thanks for the demo. I will show you how to sign in. Okay. Do you know how to sign in?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. And you can stop sharing for now. Let's see if anybody has any question. Hold on. Let's
I'm
see.
muting, sir.
Yeah, no, keep sharing the screen. Let's see if anybody has any question either on Python or Scratch you just showed. If anybody has any question,
I'll
can you
share the
raise?
screen again, sir.
Yes. Share the Scratch screen. Let's see if anybody has any question, we will answer them.
Yes, sir. Share it.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, if anybody has any question, can you raise your hand so that I will unmute you so that you can speak? Kanchana, good morning. Is it you or your son? You can unmute and speak, Kanchana.
My daughter is watching.
Okay, wonderful. Does she have any doubt?
No, sir. She
Okay, sure.
tried last week.
Okay,
Just she is watching. Afterwards, she will try, sir.
okay, thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, thanks, Dhruva. You can stop sharing.
I'll stop sharing the screen, sir.
Yes.
I should stop sharing the screen, sir.
Yes, you can stop. Okay, thank
I
you.
stopped, sir. I'm muting now.
Okay, thanks, man. Good job.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now let's see. We have Nitish Johar. Let me unmute, make you presenter, Nitish. Where are you? Nitish, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I had shared today in the invite how to reverse the name. I think you had done it earlier, right?
Yes, sir, but I didn't save the code, but now when I'm trying, it didn't come.
Yeah. Can you share your screen? We'll do together.
Yes, can.
So, folks, what Nitish is going to show is he's going to show a bit complex Python code where whenever you share any, type any name, it will reverse the same. Okay. We can even try in W3 schools, no? Instead of this, can you go to W3 schools only?
I usually do in this, uncle.
No, this not everybody has, no? That's why. Because some of them have logged in through mobile. I want to ensure everybody gets it.
Yes, uncle, what's the name of the website?
W3 schools dot, one second, let me tell you. W3schools.com. .com/Python. Yeah, press enter. Yeah, now, yeah, that's okay. You can, yeah, it will open any code. Yeah, just come down and say, try it out. Some piece of code will be there. Just you can go and change it. Yeah, click on the try it yourself and go. You can even copy paste the code which you have already typed.
Yes, uncle. Uncle, it's just blank.
Yeah, let's see what's happening. Def, 1 second. Reverse a string input or while true input and reverse while. Just let's try the simple one. Remove, just type word is equal to input, enter word. Remove all the code for now. Let's see if it's working.
This no, uncle.
Yeah, remove everything. Just remove everything. You even remove while. Let's just. Yeah, now just run this code.
Nothing is coming.
Okay, yeah, go back to your compiler. Probably this might have some limitation.
I'll
back.
remove this.
Yeah, you go back to now let's try one by one. Yeah, just first let's try. Yeah, remove that left spaces. You have got left to the word there are some space. Remove from the print also. Yeah, now run this. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, now I think that was the problem. You type the remaining piece of code. Okay, now you try. Yeah, now enter
Sir,
some.
instead of using def for this, can we use len?
No, def is you are defining because len is the length, right? It is not a length.
Kiran uncle.
No, sir, the length of the word that you're typing along with
No,
using def.
why?
Can you do that?
Yeah, you can, but why do you need length?
Sir, I just wanted to see if the computer could recognize even the backwards word, the length of the word.
Yeah, it will do it. Now let's do this. I think def D. Try capital.
Uncle,
Hmm?
actually, when I make it caps, it just all becomes in the same color.
Okay,
But if
okay.
I
Yeah. I think small is right. Yeah, this should run now. Now, what is it telling? Invalid syntax for what?
go to,
Okay.
I'll just try to leave a space.
No, it's not the space issue. While W is not capital, small. W is small.
There's supposed to be an indent.
For word you put a tab. Next line.
Here, uncle.
For word before W, before word you put a tab.
Sir, it should do it on its own while you type while true, but it's not done it now.
No, you have put one extra space. Remove that. Before word, remove one extra space.
Leave one space.
Yeah, that's enough. Now same with print. Print also you align with word. Yeah, now run this. Stop and run it again. Yeah.
Yeah, it came now.
Yeah, give Rohan or Nitish. Yeah, it's working. Can you explain? Who can explain? Meghna, can you explain what's happening?
Sir, I'm not very sure.
Guess, no, I will help you.
Sir, so I think what's happening is that you're defining the reverse function, and then when you give a word, if the function is true, it reverses the word and it gives you the word in the reversed order.
No, that's the English part of it. You have to explain which part of the code is reversing. Which part of the code is responsible for reversing it.
Is it reverse a string?
No, reverse A string is the function. I could have called even Meghna as D string, it will do the same. There is nothing in the name, it's just a noun. Take a guess, no? There is something we are doing with this colon, and -1. That is doing the trick.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, anyway, anybody else would like to take a guess? If anybody has the idea, would like to share, you can just raise your hand. Nitish, what's your guess? Or let's learn how does Python store the string in the memory.
Modules?
No, it actually basically it is stored in some address. Anyway, you probably will learn. It's a bit advanced. It's a pointer. Basically, you are giving a pointer to the address in the memory wherever it is stored. For example, as soon as you click input, means you are taking the input from the user and you are assigning to a variable called word, right? Word, even though we are seeing it as a word, as a variable, it is an address, memory address. Okay, now you are passing that memory address to the function. When you say reverse this word, we are calling this function. You can call this function by any name, and you are passing the address. You are not actually passing this string per se. So then it is coming in the reverse order. It is from whatever the address given to the end, and then it actually is going by one character to the left. Probably you can try the variation. You can just give one word, 2 letter, like that. You can try by experiment. Anyway, I will share some additional reading material for this. How Python handles the memory, how it handles the text in the memory. So that will help you to understand how it is behaving. So we are using that property to reverse it, and since it is so cryptic, it looks a bit magical, right? You can give any big letter. Can you type some very large letter? You can even type ABCD up to Z. Can you try, Nitish? So look at it, how fast it will do. Okay, in a fraction of a second, you can even try to break the code. Just keep pressing some keys randomly. Let's see whether it will give some out of memory or something. Some 3-4 lines you give. Keep typing. Press enter now. Okay, still it's able to do it. Okay, anyway, you can try at home. At what point it will give up. I'm sure there will be some limitation for the word, the text variable which we are using. Okay, or you can even search for the online documentation of Python. What is the maximum storage which this word or any text variable can have. And until that time, you can play around with that. Okay. So, so Nitish, do you have anything else to show? Have you tried any other interesting experiments, either with Scratch or Python or music?
I actually did few a long time ago.
Yeah, can you show?
I did many quiz.
Yeah, show one of them, one simple one, which the newcomers can understand. Run this, let's see how it goes. No, this will give you a problem. It has brought in the numbers also, no? So your Python interpreter will not like these numbers.
Which number, uncle?
On the left side you are seeing, oh, okay. It is part of your this one, editor, is it?
Yeah, it's part of that.
Okay. Yeah, run it. Yeah, I think indentation and all got jumbled up. That's okay. Don't worry. So next time when you are sharing, you can directly open the file. No, why you have to copy paste?
I actually did that in Notepad++. No,
Notepad++ also recognizes the file type. It has already recognized, that's why it is giving you the colors. So you should directly open that quiz.py from your interpreter.
Okay.
Do you know where it is stored?
No, Uncle. Yeah, it just.
Yeah, users that RJ desktop Python codes quiz.py. You can just give the same path in your go back to your Python interpreter. Yeah, just click on there is no file open, is it? Click on files.
Actually, I didn't sign up. I'm just using the online version.
But even then it should allow you to upload. Just click on files. Left side you are seeing some files, no? Are you able to open that?
Yeah, I just clicked it.
Okay.
Nothing happened.
And click on that envelope icon to the right side of the files. I see one plus, and after that there is one this envelope, no? No, there itself. What is that? Add a file. Click add a file. Oh, it
So
is.
maybe here I should type the name.
No, it won't help. It is creating new. It's okay. You can figure it out later. Is there anything else you want to show which will take less time? Do you have any Scratch project?
No, Uncle, I already showed my Scratch.
No, sure. Because there are a lot of newcomers here today. So even if you have shown earlier, can you just open?
Yes, Uncle.
So can you explain what is this about and then show how this works?
Uncle, I'll just show something else.
Mm-hmm.
Simple. Which I did long time.
Okay. First you have to explain and then run.
Yeah. So here, in the sprites first, the sprite will be showing as the cat. You have to remove that cat, and then according to your name or however you want, you can just choose all those alphabets. And then here, when I click for N, I click switch backdrop to night city. So it just changes the backdrop from this plain backdrop. Then it plays this sound, and then I just type this. Whatever I type, it'll act like this N is saying something.
Okay, play it. Do you have external speaker? Otherwise we will not be able to listen.
I'm not sure, but I can just try whether.
No, we are not able to listen. Or if you share this code on WhatsApp, I can play it.
Actually, Kiran uncle, the sound is only for the first letter, not for all.
Okay. So you are now changing the backdrop, is it? What is the thing which you have done differently?
Actually, it is just simple. When you click every letter, some change happens to it. Like when I click this, it changes color and the backdrop changes. Here it just becomes larger. Here it is this to the right, here to the left. Then here it just changes its shape, and then here again same.
Wonderful. Now can you show the code? Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, where is this magic happening? Okay, when you click, can you expand that? Click the zoom button so that we'll see the core blocks bigger. Yeah. So when the sprite is clicked, switch the backdrop to night city. Okay. Sound dance chill on. Say namaskara hegidira. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody? This is very simple. Anybody has any doubt? Manusri, do you know how to do this?
Sir?
Do you know how to do this magic?
No, sir.
So, means look at this. Whenever he clicks any particular letter, something different it is happening. Can you click, Nitish? Can you click on the other sprites so that we'll see what difference in code? Yeah, when you press on T, he's just changing the backdrop to Arctic and change the size by 10. That means change just the size of the sprite.
Sprite.
Similarly, click on E. So he's switching the backdrop and he's turning it by 15 degree. Turning the sprite by 15
sir.
degree. So it's very easy, right?
Yes, sir. It is very easy.
Okay. Yeah, you can create some magical effect like this. So this
Yes, sir.
okay, these sprites you can create your own. Then you can also show as if it is growing. How do you do it?
Sir, we need to change the size.
Anybody would like to show me how to make it slowly grow in steps? Nitish, can you show? For example, T should come and occupy your entire screen slowly in steps.
When I click, it just becomes bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, now every time you are clicking, instead it should happen by itself automatically in a loop. Can you do it?
I can make it like when I click it, it just becomes big. Now I'm not sure about how to make it rising.
No, if you put a forever loop, what happens?
Yeah.
Do it, no? Chetna, if you want to speak, you have to raise your hand. That's what I had announced. For now, I will make you.
Yeah, Kiran uncle, it became with that.
Forever. Then, if you click on another letter, another key, it should go back to the normal size. Can you do it? Chetana, do you want to ask anything? I have made you. You can unmute yourself and ask if you want.
No, sir, not now, but I actually had the answer for that Python, how it will reverse it.
Yeah, can you go ahead and answer now?
Sir, actually that colon gives back all the letters in the string.
Mm-hmm.
So if you ask for -1, it will come from back.
Mm-hmm.
That is what I think is the answer.
Yeah. How did you guess that? Are you practicing Python?
Yes, sir, I had learnt it.
Wonderful.
Okay, sir.
So Nitish, did you crack? How do you do reverse of 10?
I'm not sure, Kiran uncle.
-10, no? Easy, right? -10. If +10 is increasing the size, -10 should reduce the size, right? Is it not?
Yes, Kiran uncle. Yeah, now it became small.
It became so small that we cannot read.
Yeah.
How do you stop at a point where it cannot go beyond? Meghna, any idea?
No, uncle.
Meghna?
Sir, we need
What,
to
sir?
repeat.
Now, hold on, Manasvi. Meghna, the question is, now it went until it became invisible. Now I want to stop at certain level so that I don't want it to become invisible. How do you do that? Manasvi, any idea?
Sir, instead of using forever block, we need to use the repeat.
No, let's use forever only. Even then, we should stop at some time.
No, sir.
Just how do you do it normally if you want to do it? Do you know if block is there?
No, sir.
Chetna?
Yes, sir. If else.
Yeah, help Nitish to how to use if else.
Sir, I thought if instead of -10, if we put -1, it will reduce the number of times it will get
Yeah,
smaller.
no, yeah, it will look magical. It will go smoothly. I agree. That's a good point. Even if you use -1, how do you stop at certain level? For example, I don't want to become less than, let's say, 50%. I want to stop at 50%.
Sir, I have no idea.
Yes, no, he has already put the if else block. How do we use the if else block?
Sir, if it reaches a certain point, then stop.
Yeah. So you have to check that if there is a diamond, right? That diamond you can put something. You can put even
Sir, but you can't put circular blocks in it.
You have to figure it out. That's why they have given it to you. For example, the size is a variable, right? Direction is a variable. If you can change the direction and size programmatically, here it is. That one of the no, just go to the top. These green diamonds which has circles inside it. Meghna, you have to use them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you try offline, and if any of you succeed, you can tell me, and you can, so that we can show it to the others. Nitish, you keep trying, and yeah, Meghna and Manasvi, you can also try. Chetna. So whoever can gets it first, you just raise your hands so that then you can share your screen and show it. Is that okay? You have to use that.
Okay.
That horizontal, the diamond which has two circles inside it, where it has an operator, right? Equal to, less than, you can do whatever you want. Nitish, you got it?
Yes, uncle.
Can you drag and drop one of them? Let's say that 50, 50, 50, one of them. Yeah, there if you put it. Here you can compare. First one will be a variable. Okay. Whatever you are trying. Okay, you have to guess what is that. What you need to put to control the size. Okay, I don't think it will recognize if you type anything like that. You need to figure out how do you manipulate that. It is the same way how you are using change size by. Okay, so it is not so straightforward. You need to figure it out.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, first you have to just take the size value into a variable and then manipulate. I will leave it to you. So in the meantime, thanks Nitish. We will come back to you.
Yes, sir.
Meghna, were you able to complete your national anthem?
Not yet, sir. I just have to write a few more lines of code.
Okay. Yeah. Manasvi, can you share your story? That was interesting. So, do you have it with you?
Sir, which story?
Whichever you had shared last week, no?
Sir,
conversation.
online classes?
Conversation, yeah.
Yes, sir, I will share. Sir, is it coming up, sir?
Yes.
Are you able to see?
Not yet. Can you share again? I'm just seeing your screen, but it has not come up.
Sir, are you able to see the Microsoft Teams screen?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see it.
But not your scratch screen.
Yes.
Yes. Now you can see. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So this. Sir, are you able to hear?
Yes, yes.
It has been such a long time since we have met.
Yes. Are your online classes going on?
Yes, they are. Yours?
Yes, they are going on. I really like the original classes than the online classes. What about you? Which do you think is better and why?
I like online classes because we get to stay at home. The amount of classes are less and we have a lot of time to study and play. What about you? Why do you think original classes are the best?
It's because I could talk and chat with my friends, eat my lunch with them.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, bye. See you soon.
Bye, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show the code, no? Because
Yes.
I want them to see the code and ask questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hold on. So, anybody has any questions? How did this synchronization happen? Are you using any broadcast event here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm using broadcast.
Yeah, can you explain what does broadcast do and why do we need it?
Sir, we need broadcast because after a person speaks, the other person should speak. If we do not use that broadcast, then both will speak at the same time.
Okay. Anybody has any question? You can raise your hands. If you want to explain how the broadcast is working. Can you just show who is capturing this event high D? Because after you did the broadcast, can you click
Sir?
on D's code also? Click on D, sprite D.
Yes, sir.
So when I receive high D, okay.
For that conversation, I mainly used broadcast, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Now I'm also seeing.
Sir, I also made another project last week. Should I show it to you?
Oh, hold on. Now in this code, why are you speaking hello, Abhi, how are you separately? You can give together, no? What happens?
Sir, because I wanted it to stop, give some gap in between.
No, I didn't get you. Just can you play? I think it will do the same. Can you play this?
How are you?
Play.
Sir, because I wanted it after one word is said, then there a little bit gap.
No, just type hello, Abhi, how are you together? Let's see. No, that I think that much of intelligence they would have put it in.
Yes, sir, I'll type.
Yeah. Nitish, do you have any question on this? Are you comfortable using this broadcast event?
Yes, uncle. I'm comfortable.
Okay. So.
Yes, sir. Shall I play now?
No, hold on. Set voice to tenor. Why are you setting the voice to tenor after he speaks?
Because I want him to speak tenor in that voice.
No, that then you have to do before, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it before.
Sir, is it the same if we do it after and also before?
No. By default, it will take whatever was previous and it will speak. Okay, now only for the next sentence it will come in that tenor's voice. Is it not? That's logical, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, now shall I play?
Yeah.
Hi, Dee. How are you?
Hello, Abby. How are you?
So
yes, sir, it was the same.
Yeah. So these are the simple best practices you have to learn from the beginning, because one is you are wasting your time, another is it will also slow down because it's a different instruction which you are giving separately, even though they are doing exactly the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me see what else you have done. And you need not have to set voice to tenor. Again, look at this. Every time you are setting afterwards, it won't help.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Let's ensure everybody understood. Any idea of Manasvi? Sorry, Manasvi is speaking. Let's pick somebody else. Hasmita, hi, good morning. Would you like to share?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, where did Manasvi get these voices? She is getting D's voice and tenor's voice. Any idea?
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, can you click? Is it Hasmita or is it Diti?
Sir, me, Hasmita.
Okay, what happened to Diti today?
Sir, don't know. I have to ask her.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, can you click that? Can you click on the drop down where you can select the voice? Let's see how many voices are there. You have to,
Sir, extension, sir.
no. I'm seeing you switch. No, voice. Wherever you are pulling the voice.
Yes, sound.
No, set voice to alto is there. No, click on that alto drop down.
This.
Now, wherever you are seeing set voice is there. No, for example, in your code you are using set voice to tenor. Click on the drop down.
Yes, sir.
Click on tenor. It will list down what all voices you have.
Yes, sir. Alto, tenors,
Oh, we
giant,
cannot. Oh, we cannot see. Okay. There. Yeah, now we can see. Hold on. So alto, tenor is people. Squeak is not person, right? It is just a sound.
Yes, sir. It is a sound.
Kitten is also sound.
Yes, sir.
Just for fun, put kitten. Let's say.
It will say, and at the last it will say meow.
Let's see. Put it. Play.
Yes, sir.
So it cannot
Meow.
speak. It will only say
No,
meow
sir,
meow.
can't. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Meghna, you are comfortable, right? How to do this speech to text?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, shall I show that one more one which I've done?
what is that about?
Sir, it is about concert.
Do it.
I've done it last week, sir.
Yeah, show it.
Yes, sir. This.
Yeah. Show the code first.
1 second. Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what does it do? Can you explain?
Sir, first Abby, she says introduction, and then ballerina, she comes and dances, and after that, singer, she comes and sings.
Oh, you have recorded your voice, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, let's play it.
Yes, sir. Should I do full screen?
Yeah, full screen. Yeah.
Yes. Hello, dear audience. Are you all ready for today's amazing concert? I bet you are. So, let's not delay anymore. Let's start today's amazing, awesome, super intense concert. So, let us invite onto the stage Ruby the ballerina. Sit back and enjoy her awesome performance. That was a super performance, Ruby. Next,
Join your hands and welcome onto the stage Sushma to mesmerize us all with her beautiful singing voice. Let's welcome her.
Yeah, I think there's some delay. That's okay. We got it. You can show. Go back to the code.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, show the code. See inside.
So this is for Abby.
Uh-huh.
Abby.
Mm-hmm.
And this is all for Abby.
Mm-hmm.
For ballerina
Mm-hmm.
and for singer.
Okay, wonderful. So now you can conduct virtual classes for the events in your school also, right? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Instead of Abby, you can put your photograph.
Yes, sir.
Actually, you can. Do you know how to create costumes for yourself?
I am working on it, sir, right now.
Actually, you have to just click some 4-5 photographs with the
Yes,
hands up or hands down or with a mic in your hand. Then it will show as if you are only speaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then yeah, you have done wonderful job in recording. That's very good. Huh.
Camera.
Yeah. No, you can click either in your this one for this one also. You can use your phone also, not because
Yes, sir.
that will give you more clarity and more flexibility. Then you can import that photograph here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it will look as if you are doing a real virtual event. That will be wonderful actually.
Yes, sir.
So anybody has any questions? Anybody would like to show? Did you do anything on music on this one Sonic Pi?
Sir, me?
Hmm.
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody has Sonic Pi code which you would like to demonstrate for the newcomers?
Sir, I don't know how to do in Sonic Pi.
Yeah, you have to learn. It's interesting,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Last week, Meghna did
Yes,
a wonderful
sir.
job with national anthem.
Even Chetan also.
Yeah. Chetna, do you have your code? Would you like to show?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I was learning in the past week. I didn't code anything.
Okay. So,
By the next week, I'll code something and I'll show it.
Meghna, I will share your code. Can you explain how it works?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Or if you have the code, you can also share. Do you have your code there?
Yes, sir, I have it. One second.
Yeah, thanks,
Sir, should I
Manasvi.
stop sharing?
Yes, Manasvi. Thanks a lot. Good job.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So keep doing this. One day, I'm sure your project also will be featured on the MIT portal.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can you see it?
Yes, yes, we can see it.
Okay. So the way this works is that each key. So when I write play, after that I have to write a key. So a key means a piano note. So to play the piano note, you need to type in the key regarding the piano note. So you can either do this through letters or through numbers. So I found letters a little easier. So I used letters to code my code. 1 second, sir. Sorry, sir. Taryang is just screaming in the room.
No problem.
So so um so as I was saying, each key corresponds to a note on the piano. So I use the synth deep pulse. So there are many kinds of sounds you can make. So one of these is deep pulse. So you can use this and accordingly create a sound or a song or something. Then I added a delay. So you add a delay so that it is easier for you to listen to the sound or the note separately. Otherwise, they'll just all overlap onto each other. So for Janagana Mana, each time when you sing a note or a line, there is always a break in between. So I added the appropriate delay, and that's how I came up with the song.
Wonderful. How did you get this this one DB4 or EB4? Did you refer any online documentation?
No, sir, no document. So I know the piano notes and keys by heart. So listening to them in my own mind, I just coded it. I didn't use anything from the internet.
No, no, no. What I meant was, how do you, because this Sonic Pi uses its own notation for this EB4 or this, is it that you call the same note even in piano, is it?
Yes, sir, it's the same. It's nothing separate.
Oh, cool. Wonderful. So, how many such keys are there, like EB, DB?
There are 88 on the normal piano, I think.
Okay, so each will carry this combination of this dB and one number, is it?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay, okay, that's interesting. Yeah, do let us share it in the group whenever you complete. Will you complete this week or it will take some time?
Sir, I can complete it today itself and send it.
Wonderful. Yeah, that would be good because that will inspire many people. Even I was showing this to RV Engineering College students because I was taking one session last week. They were also surprised because I don't know if you are, I told you earlier, this is Ruby. Ruby is one of the very popular programming languages. It's a scripting tool.
Yes, sir, when you save it also, it says RB, Ruby form.
So Ruby. So Ruby is used in serious programming as well. So in that way, you are technically learning Ruby. Okay, it will help you when you basically go up in your career. Okay, this is a fantastic way to learn.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I show my project?
Wait,
Sir, can I show my project?
Yeah, wait. So Meghna, I had also shared another link from another US university. Did you had a look at it?
Yes, sir, I did. It's actually very good. It's very applicable and it's very vast, so it's very useful.
Yeah. There you can also do very complex music, and it is direct. Instead of Ruby, there they are using Python.
Yeah, they are. I was actually shocked that they were using Python.
And it's exact Python what we just saw the other one, right? There's absolutely no difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thanks, Meghna. Yeah, Chirantan, what would you like to show us?
Sir, I have a project on cloud. So last week you have explained about cloud. I made in Scratch.
Okay, yeah, show it.
Cloud is a group of computers by which other computers can connect worldwide. So that's all.
Wonderful. Is it possible to add voice also to this?
Sir, what? This is no in this scratch in this app. There is no recorded voice.
No, you can record, no?
Sir.
You can record the voice because students from Maharashtra, Pune, they are recording and sending it to me. I don't know if anybody from Pune is here. Anybody?
Sir, I have done another project now. So I have seen someone's project that presenting. I made this. So when I tapped on, I typed my name, nickname Chiru. When I tapped on this, it turns right, turns 1 degree and back, and change this backdrop. And when I tap it, any number, any letter, it can turn and get.
So what did you learn in this? What inspired you? What inspired you, or what was of interest in this? Is it magical, or is it? It is like showing titles in a movie, right? When the beginning or in the end, they show. Like Dr. Rajkumar, they will show the name, right?
Yes, sir.
So, apart from that, is there any other use of this?
Sir, no, don't know.
Guess no. Where do you think it will be useful in our daily life?
Sir, I made another one.
No. You have to answer that question. Don't. Otherwise, it's of no use, right? If you keep doing it. So yeah, tell me, where exactly you can use. Think of some scenario, no?
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, we can do projects like if we have some projects related to animation or how we can do regarding computers, we can do it in Scratch.
No, we can do it, I know, but where exactly? I want to see the real life usage. Where is it helpful? When you click something, some action is happening, right? It is changing, it is bringing new photograph, it is changing the size of the character, it is doing some magic. You can create your own album, right? Your photographs. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Then you can you can narrate a story when that photograph comes, right? If, for example, if you had been to KRS Dam, you can narrate about KRS Dam. If you had been to Gir Forest, you can talk about if you saw any lions. That's an interesting way of narrating a story, right?
Yes, sir.
So, would you like to do it, Chetna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because look at it, he is doing from his mobile phone. There is a lot of restriction. If you are doing on your laptop or a computer, that will make it still more. It gives more flexibility. So you can.
Sure, sir, I'll do
you
it.
can do a lot of magic over there. And also, I want you to explore Chirantan. How do you ensure, let's say, a road getting into this thing, as if one road is opening up. So it looks magical when it is moving from one picture to another picture.
Yes, sir.
Chirantan, now are you going to your class? Are you using your class computer?
Sir?
Are you using computer in your school now?
No, sir.
So you can request your teacher special permission. so that because you are doing a lot of interesting stuff, I want you to explore more, especially
Okay,
on the
sir.
cloud. What you have done, I want you to add some voice also, some more text, right? That means you are technically explaining how the entire cloud computing works. This actually whatever I did, and you are showing in your 8th standard itself on your mobile. That's a very commendable job.
Sir, if I were using Scratch, I can make it.
Yeah, that's true. You are using Scratch only,
But
right?
sir, I am using Scratch Junior. It have no more options. It have only less
No,
options to
there's a
make
lot of
it.
options you have to explore. That's why I showed you, went to the Scratch Junior site and showed you the demo, no? Did you see the demo?
Sir,
Did you go to Scratch Junior site and see the demo?
sir, yes, sir.
There they have used a lot of things, right?
Sir, your quick intro.
Yeah. These sample projects, they are showing a lot of things, right? They are adding music, they are adding voice. A lot of things are possible.
Sir, I saw it.
Yeah, you can explore more. It is possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Anything else you want to show?
Sir, can I make a project now in the class?
Not now. You can do it and show it. Either share it to me on WhatsApp or you can show it in the next class.
Sir, I don't know your WhatsApp number.
7760. You can write down 7760
7760
60 88 55 11. Yeah, that's
Sir,
it.
can I stop presenting?
Yes, thank you. Good job.
Sir,
Joe,
is
Chiran.
Scratch and Scratch Junior both same?
Scratch Junior works on mobile, which has very limited option, whereas Scratch has a lot of options, which works on your laptop. Scratch works on every device.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sainam, you are telling something?
Yeah, I think today all the children are showing the wonderful projects. I think slowly each child seems to be getting a depth of coding. Each one of them, including Meghana, Manasvi, and Chiran, everyone. I think it's good going, very encouraging. I think you should, whatever projects you have done, probably should share with the group, so that the people, other children can also look at it and learn from there. If there is a way to put it in a group or a Google Drive, other children get to see it, learn it. And Chirant, I think your ideas are wonderful. The way you're trying to, even though with a limited instruction set of Junior Scratch, you are trying to build new ideas. It's very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Sainam, anyway, I am sharing the recording with everybody immediately after this. In that way,
Yeah.
they can rewind and see it. Yeah, I get your point. If we can also share the source code on some common place, they can readily use it.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, probably
Well,
what I will do is,
one thing they can do is Scratch. I think it allows them to publish it in the MIT site, right?
that is true. But once you publish, it will go into the sea, then nobody will be able to search.
But that's okay. The only thing we need to probably do one thing. We can create a Google sheet or some where we can put down the project number and the name of the project so that children know and which child has done some kind of a database kind of thing in a Google sheet.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we will figure out a nice way, like how we do, let's say, nice source code control system where we have a nice directory structure where we can easy to search.
Right.
So I will figure out, I think Slack or some other open source this thing where it will be helpful.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Anybody else would like to show?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir,
Sir, yesterday I was not able to attend the session, sir. I think it was interesting, but I couldn't attend. Can I get
No,
recording session, sir?
no. Yesterday was with for teachers, not for the students.
Okay, sir. Is there anything that we can adopt from that?
Tell me, what was the topic yesterday? I forgot.
Sir, it says fun with maths, creative teaching, and infinitely stretchable whiteboard.
Yeah. Anyway, I will share the recording. I will just tell you the gist. Fun with maths. I showed the earlier. I had showed one this one, no, star with maths.
Sir.
Let me just share that again. Give me a second. Chirantan, you can mute your line. I see you keep getting some background noise. So today's mode is better, right? I am in the broadcast mode today, where none of you are able to unmute yourselves. Is this better, Chetna?
Sir, I don't know.
No, today there was absolutely no distraction, right? It was cool.
Yes, sir.
Nobody was throwing away anybody out. You are not getting thrown out.
Yes, sir. Yes.
One second, let me just share. So now you are able to see my star, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know, have you seen this before?
Yes, sir. You had sent it in the group, but I didn't know what it was.
Basically, these numbers have been arranged in some pattern. Okay. Now, there is a pattern to this. It's not random. Okay. Let me give you a hint. They have been organized based. They are all binary numbers. Any guess or any idea what is binary?
Sir, programming language used for computers.
No, binary is what? Decimal is what?
Sir, 2, 0 and 1.
Decimal?
Decimal is point.
No. What is decimal system? We are following decimal system, right?
Yeah, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whereas in binary, do you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
No, 0 and 1.
Yeah, that gives you a hint, right? What is binary and what is decimal? Decimal, you can go up to what number?
Sir, infinite.
No, 9. No, yeah, I agree with infinite, but there are number of digits are 9. Up to 9 you can go. 0,
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas in binary, it is binary. Basically, there's something called the base, which is 2. In decimal, the base is 10.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is 10 to the power of 0?
1,
2 to the power of 0?
1.
Yeah, that's true. So when I say binary, it is all 2 to the power numbers. I have used in this number, in this star, all the numbers are up to 2 to the power of 5.
Okay.
Quickly, can you tell me what is 2 to the power of 5? You can use calculator, it doesn't matter, you can do on paper. Can you tell me what is the number, 2 to the power of 5?
Just a second, sir. Sir, 32?
Yes. So, if you see the maximum number here, there is no 32, there is only 31. Okay? The star has numbers starting from 1 up to 31.
Yeah.
This also happens to be the days in a calendar month.
Yeah.
Dates. Okay? If your date of birth is there in this, don't tell me. Just tell me in which triangle it exists. Is it in triangle A, B, or AB, or ABC? I can guess your date of birth.
Sir, B.
No, it might be there in multiple triangles as well. Just watch closely and tell me which other triangle also it has.
B, C, D, yeah, B, C, D, E.
23.
Yeah, how did you get to know?
Magic, no. That's why I told you it's magic with maths. Any other number you randomly pick. If it need not have to be your date of birth. Pick any number from 1 to 31. I will guess immediately.
Yeah.
It's as good as me seeing your screen, right?
Yeah. A.
Only A,
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah.
If it is only A, then it should be 8.
Yeah. 8.
See, actually, I can do, I have so much of magical power, I can, even if you reverse this star, I can tell you, without even looking at any number. Okay, that is the power of magic, power of maths. Okay, now let me tell you the secret. Anybody else would like to take a guess? Just give me a second, let me give opportunity for everybody. One second. Hello. Now allow attendees to unmute. Hello. Yeah. Now anybody can unmute and speak.
Sir, is it like a specific number will be in a triangle, sir?
Who is this?
Sir, Sakarsh.
Yeah, Akarsh, what's your question?
So not question, sir. Like I'm guessing how to do the magic is then if you take the number 9, the number 9 will be in these triangles, so you can identify like that.
But I did it so fast, right? By the time she finished telling, I immediately told. If you want to can you tell me in which triangle your date of birth exists? I can tell you immediately.
D.
Only D, is it?
Yes, sir.
Then it should be 2.
Yes, sir.
See how fast I can do it. That means I am not even looking at what other triangle has it. And it is humanly a bit difficult to memorize each triangle what number it has, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I am using some mathematics trick. So anybody, any guesses? Hello? Yeah, I will tell you the secret. The numbers in the order of, let's say, we will start from 1. Since it has 5 triangles, I said earlier, we go up to 2 to the power of 5. That means we'll start with 2 to the power of 0. How much is 2 to the power of 0? Anybody?
1.
Gauri, you can also unmute if you want to say something. I just saw you have raised your hand. Would you like to say something? Okay, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. I have put it here. And I have put only in 1. I did not put 1 anywhere else. You saw that, right? Now, if I want 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 is 2, right? Chirantan?
Yes, sir.
How much is 2 to the power of 1?
2, no, sir.
Yeah, Chirantan, do you understand? 2 to the power of 1 is 2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Akarsh, how do you get 3?
Sir, 3 is in a C and D, sir.
No. What I meant is, how do you represent 3 in decimal numbers?
2 to the power of 1 plus 1.
No. Express entire thing only in decimal. 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means you need both triangle C and D. That means 3 I have put in both C and D. You see, 3 is appearing in both C and D. Whereas 4 is 2 to the power of 2. It's available only in 1, right? You can see my mouse moving there. Then how do you get 5? Anybody? How do you get 5 in decimal?
Sir, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 0.
No, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Then you will get 2 plus 1, 3. But now I need 5.
Sir, 2 to the
Again, plus 2 to the power of 1.
No. Shri, you are telling something?
Yes, sir. I was telling 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 2.
Wonderful. Right, Akarsh? 2 to the power of 2 is 4 and 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have put 2 to the power of 2 here 4 plus 1 5. So 5 will be there in both C as well as E.
Sir, but I don't understand why you're putting in E and C.
Because this C is nothing but it is 2 to the power of 0 triangle.
Okay, sir.
D is nothing but 2 to the power of 1 triangle. E is 2 to the power of 2. A is 2 to the power of 3. B is 2 to the power of 4.
Oh, okay, sir.
So I am using 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 to derive the rest of the numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now you tell me the magic. How I am able to so quickly able to compute the number which you are telling me.
Sir, you're using the powers, no, sir?
Yeah, I am using power, but if I ask you to guess, will you guess?
I'll try, sir.
Yeah. Now my number is in E and A.
E and A, sir?
No, don't look at the numbers.
Sir, is it 24?
No. Chetna, would you like to guess? If my number is in E and A, what is my number?
Sir, 31?
No, that means you are not getting the logic. If I say 12, can you guess the logic?
Sir, it's 12.
12, sir?
Yes, it is 12. Now I will give you another number. Shri, you should be, looks like you are getting it. Now I will give you another number, 18. Quickly you have to tell me.
18, sir?
18 will appear in which two triangles only?
Sir, between C, D and B, sir.
D and B.
Yes, that's right. Now I will tell you the triangle. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now if I tell you another number which is there in all of them, A, B, C, D, E. Can
Sir,
you
31.
Wonderful. Then it is there in only B and C.
B and C. Sir, is it 16?
No.
I mean 17.
Yeah, 17 is right. Now I will tell you another number which is there in A, B and D. A, B and D. D for doll.
So is it 20? Sir, 26.
Yes. Now tell me the logic. How you are able to guess it?
Sir, in the all same.
Sir, it's all because of power of the number, sir.
Power is okay, but how you are able to, by what is the correlation between triangle and the power?
We are adding.
Yeah, Shri?
No, sir. The powers which like over in 8. So we are adding those numbers.
Adding which number?
The powers.
Where are the power numbers located?
At the top of the triangles.
Wonderful, you got it. So all of you got the trick? Just add the numbers where I am calling out the names of the triangle which is there on the top. Easy, right?
Yes, sir.
And they are all single
Yes,
digits. Only one number missing is 16. That intentionally I have hidden it, which is there at the top of column B, triangle B. So then it becomes a magical, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will you do it and show it to your parents?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's fun, right?
Yes, sir.
You can create this in a KG cardboard or some thick sheet, cut it and show it to them. Then even if you turn it behind where you are not seeing any number, for example, if you are holding B on the top, then you know from clockwise 8, 4, 2 and 1 where it exists continuously, then you can just do a quick math depending on what they say.
So
Okay?
for that you have to practice a lot, but
No, you can just write the triangle names behind, okay? Just A, B, C, D, E, that's it. Then you map the internally. A means 8, E means 4, D means 2, C means 1, like that. If you practice for half an hour, you will get it.
okay, sir, I'll try it today.
Okay, wonderful. Is there anything else you want to know today? Let me share another one. I want you to do this project. A variation of the project. Give me a second. Let me mute everybody. I keep getting a lot of background noise again. Okay, now I have muted everybody and you cannot unmute also. Give me a second. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me show some sample project which I had done.
Sir, how many projects have you done in total?
100. 100. How many you want to do?
Sir, I will do more than 100, sir.
Wonderful. Now let me play this. Let's see why I've forgotten why I did this. Let's see if there is interesting.
Battery, 50%.
Look at the code here. Okay, I am using forever if touching dinosaur. I have coded for the trampoline sprite. If trampoline, as soon as it touches, it makes this sound. That means you can also create this magical effect. Chirantan, will you do this?
Yes, sir.
Look at it. Let me play again.
Battery, 50%.
That means as soon as you it touches, it is also bending down. How did the bending down happen? Okay, by using this, because look at it, I don't have too many costumes also, just have one costume. That means I am not changing the costume here. I am using the fish eye effect. Fish eye minus 30 is giving me this effect. If I give plus 30, let's see what happens. Or, okay, anyway, 0 is there. Then I will also make, let's duplicate it. And fish eye, let's say, make it plus 30. Now let's see what happens. It should come, it should bounce actually. Let's see if it is happening. Now if I exaggerate, what happens? If I instead of 30, I will make it 80.
Battery, 50%.
Excuse me, sir. In Scratch Junior, it won't have fish eye code.
Yeah. You request your teacher to help you to use the computer in the school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is your class teacher?
Sir, I didn't know. I don't know.
Who is your teacher whom you know? Any teacher?
Sir, I don't know the names.
Okay. Yeah, whoever is your class teacher last year, you can just speak to them. Okay, then use your school computer and do it. It will be, because you are very creative and you can do a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
Let me show something interesting. Okay, we have studio. We have created a separate group called Studio. In Scratch, it's called Studios, where all English teaching we have put it together. Yeah, sign up to answer your question. It's already available. I will share this entire studio with the people, with the children. Let's see what we have done. Some interesting one. Let's look at what we have done here.
Battery, 50%.
The sun is rising. The sun is setting. The sun rises in the east. And sets in the west. The sun rises in the east every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The sun sets in the west every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Is this useful?
Yes, sir.
Where? How is it useful?
Sir, in classes, schools, and in home also. If we make a video, a pen drive or CD, we feed it in a pen drive or CD. It can help in learning English at home.
Wonderful. Why do you need a pen drive or a CD? We can play this in your mobile also.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we upload it online.
Yeah, I have already uploaded. I will send you this link. You can play this on your mobile and show it to your parents. Do you have brothers
Sir,
or
shall I
sisters? Do you have brothers
Sir,
or
shall I make
sisters?
it?
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
no, sir. Sir, I have friends.
Yeah, you can show it to your friends. Yeah, you can also make it.
Sir, I make it in Scratch Junior.
Yes. Let me see if there are any more interesting ones. Let's see how this is. This is a cool one. Okay, let's see how this works.
These projects are done by children or?
No, this is done by one of the English teacher.
Okay.
Look at it. She's using this to teach phonetics and grammar and sentence formation. Okay, now look at interesting. You have to drag and drop the words in appropriate boxes. For example, he. Let me go back to this way. Yeah. Now you can. Why is it not allowing me? Hold on. He reads a book. Now, if you click here,
Battery 50%.
He
she's giving the pronunciation.
reads
Once you do it, then the train will move forward if it is correct.
a book.
Cool, right? So I will share this code also, children. You also have to come up with some creative ideas. Now look at it, how many combinations he has already given. So you can use any such combination. He plays cricket, right? Then what else? We play cricket. If I do this, what happens? Let's see.
Battery 50%.
We play.
See, it won't, because since the order is not correct, she is not pronouncing this. If I remove we play cricket.
Cricket.
So that means actually when she was doing, I asked her, why not you say it is wrong? She said, interestingly, it seems that that will not motivate them to learn if we give ready answers.
Okay.
So she said, don't give full ready answers.
That's a question I was about to ask.
So look at it. This is the difference between Byju's and this madam. Very powerful, right? Very interesting difference. That means, yeah, if you give fully readily cooked thing, they will not even think. Okay. So I will share this studio on WhatsApp group. So let me see if I can project here itself so that all of you need not have to wait for WhatsApp.
Kiran, is there a way to externalize this Scratch code where it can play in an app? You understand?
Why do you want to do that? They have already done it, so that now look at it. This is on HTML5. This plays on all devices, whether it's your mobile or laptop or Raspberry Pi or Mac.
I know, but they need to use a browser, right?
Yeah. Because intentionally they did it so that it is portable. If you make it app, then you have to create an Android app, you have to create an iOS app, you have to create a Raspberry Pi app.
I understand. What I'm trying to say is that supposing you want to do it, play it locally.
Play it locally, you can download and play. No, you can, because this Scratch is, they have made it available on all platforms.
Scratch Junior is a Scratch app is available on the platforms?
No. What I meant is, mobile you cannot. Whereas on laptop, you can download Scratch and install it locally.
Correct. Laptop you can do.
Laptop you can do. Raspberry Pi, it comes pre-installed.
Hmm.
The only people who are missing out is people who have a smartphone but you don't have internet connection. If you have internet connection using mobile, you can play this directly.
Right. You can open the browser and do it. But many times, especially when you are looking at little outside of the towns.
Then I can create a video and give it to them, no?
Yeah.
So it is possible. Anyway, they have done their best. Now, since it's open source, I think now we also have to contribute, right? We should also create something.
Yeah, that's what. I'm just more of a discussion point. Let's see if anything can be done.
I'm sure the students who are here, at least high school students, should be able to pick this project.
Yep.
And I think a couple of engineering students are also attending these sessions. I think we should combine both engineering students and high school students. So we should, I think we should solve that societal problems, Sainam. Yes, you are right. That's one of the problems which you need to solve.
Right.
Okay, folks, it's already 12:45. Thanks a lot, and I will share the recording. And have fun and keep learning.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.